Your hair looks sexy.
Oh, was that the video?
Yep.
I did not that big, you guys. This is the cake we made. It is chocolate cake with cream cheese icing, basically. The front, it says Happy Birthday Mom. There's like no white space because we decided to decorate the whole thing. And it says on the side, with love, Tina, Ping, and shit.
And then line.
Oh.
And line.
There's no white space. We don't believe in white spaces. Negative space is negative.
Let's see all the stars and heart and flowers.
Sissy drew the heart, the stars, the circle. She drew the leaf, and I drew the flower.
Yeah. Okay, that's really good.
Happy birthday, Mom. This is the birthday girl. Thank you.
Birthday girl. Happy birthday, Mom. Are you taking pictures?